Hey traders, and welcome to Forex Market Analysis session. My name is Alexander Nikitin. I'm a professional trader and the developer of the MPS pattern recognition software. In today's video, I will analyze my whole portfolio of 19 pairs on 1 hour and 30 minutes. Don't worry, it won't take long because I'm using the MPS pattern recognition. It spots patterns in a matter of seconds, so I will be simply switching my profiles with the attached indicators that will show me either we have a pattern or not. So nothing sophisticated, no efforts analyzing or drawing something needed. Let us start. The first pair for the day is Aussie Canadian 1 hour. You see I have 8 charts. They are showing the same chart, same time frame, but it has 8 versions of MPS, and the MPS is running different swing identification algorithms. That's why we have different patterns listed. Right now we have something here, so let me zoom it in to see if we have a pattern. And you know what, pretty good pattern which is completed. It didn't reach the take profit. I'm trading inverse, by the way, based on my backtest. It is the easiest way of trading it. Okay, and it didn't reach the stop loss. So what we have right now is simply better price for trading. So what I will do, I will stretch my Fibonacci from take profit to entry like this. So you can see from take profit to entry. I will place my stop loss to stop loss level that is recommended by the MPS, and I will simply hit M to execute market order. But what I will do, as we have a better price, I would also like to have a further stop loss. So let's say I don't want this C point to be broken. This way I still have a good risk to reward. 12 pips versus 20 pips. Still good risk to reward, but this stop loss above C point is much safer than the recommended level. Of course, I tested this at the recommended level, but I just giving some more room to the market. Okay, just pressing M, and PatternTradeAssistant does the rest. It calculates the position size automatically, so I always risk $1,200. So if we hover over this, to $1,400 roughly, plus or minus few dollars, because PatternTradeAssistant calculates the position this way. So nothing else is needed, no need to track the position, all the work is done before. That's it. So switch to the next Aussie Canadian 30 minute, and nothing is here. I will be using the combination of keys, Control F5 to switch between profiles, and we see Aussie Yen nothing, Aussie Yen 30 minute nothing as well. Aussie Dollar 1 hour, we have, we had a completed pattern and it bounced to the upside. So for traditional traders it worked, but for me, as I trade the inverse way, it hit the stop loss. I think it was yesterday. And one pattern that is setting right now is this smaller pattern, so I will place an alert like this. So when price reaches this level, I am notified. If it doesn't reach the level, never mind. no trading, no pattern then. Okay, next pattern is Aussie Dollar 30 minute. So let me have a look at this larger picture. Here and here. So one of the pattern, this bull pattern, hit take profit, but I was sleeping. I need to sleep as well. And here we have a bearish, yes, the pattern is bearish, but the trade that I said would be a long trade, buy trade. So it completes here. So we have 2 patterns. One of them completes here, the second one completes there on 1 hour time frame. So I will set the first one. If it goes further, I will set the second one as well, and at some time I will have two positions opened on one chart, but the reasons to open these positions is different. So different algorithm, different trades. I treat them this way. Different patterns as well. Although they are both unified Gatlis, but if one of them was found by one algorithm on one time frame and the second one was found by another algorithm on another time frame, then it is a different pattern. Okay, now what we have right now, this was a winner, Euro Aussie yesterday. I missed that pattern. Oh, we have a MACD pattern completed, and it is running right now. Tried to bounce to the upside, but then it retraced, and we have a nice price to enter right now at market. So I will show the ask line. You see the ask line is below the entry. This is very good. Let me attach the PatternTradeAssistant. Let me load the trading set. That includes my license, of course, and the risk 2000 and roughly 400. Okay, then we just go here. I will show you in the end the statistical results on this account trading this year, so you will see how this methodology of inverse trading works in real time. Okay, ask line is below the entry, one more pip, done. So what I'm risking 2000, roughly 400, 32.9 pips, and here I'm rewarding 33. Okay, good risk to reward. I always try to have better risk to reward. Sometimes I have it extremely good, because these patterns are giving minor bounce before they continue. They typically giving minor bounce. Maybe it is connected to the guys who try to trade them traditional way. They are trying to push that, and in majority of cases we have a minor bounce that allows us to execute our position at a better price. Okay, down here, what is it? Euro Aussie 30 minute. Here was the trade executed. I'm not limiting myself in how many trades allowed to place at the same time. I can load my account 100%, so I have no free margin left or whatever. It doesn't matter to me. To trade probabilities, you have to open each and every trade, because according to your backtest you were not missing any patterns, simply to play the probabilities. Okay, winning pattern on Euro GBP yesterday. I think I posted this, and one pattern that is setting up right now. So let me zoom it in. Here are the levels. If it goes higher, we have this pattern 88, 34, 3. Next, let's go next. So here's the pattern that I'm in right now. I didn't enter this one, Euro-Yen WPR algorithm, and Prax and the Euro-Yen ATR commodity channel index, but I entered it based on this RSI algorithm and Pipsich algorithm. So you can see I could have entered it earlier and I would have a better price. Selling high is much better than selling lower, but this is not not bad here as well. So here's the Euro-Yen 1 hour pattern. It looks this way. I posted this to my Telegram channel, just a demonstration. I'm not posting all my trades to my Telegram channel, but I posting almost all my results. So if I have a stop loss or I have a take profit, I post it to my channel, and so everybody sees how the methodology works, and I often post the detailed statements from my broker, so everybody sees how it works as well. Because I'm not giving signal services, I'm giving a demonstration. So I kind of want to motivate you to stop believing somebody, to stop trusting somebody works, to stop trusting what is written in the books, and to start doing your own market research and develop your own methodology, to do the backtest, to do the analysis of your trades, to analyze the ratios for patterns using Excel spreadsheets. Luckily, Excel is extremely powerful to do filtering. You can even code some functions in Excel to analyze your results. And when you collect lots of data in these Excel spreadsheets, you start understanding that what is said about these patterns is not actually true, or it is so difficult to repeat that it is much better to do the opposite. Okay, let us continue. And here's the Telegram channel, by the way. It is called mpstrade.com. And if you are interested in market research, you can also join this group, MPS Market Research Group. We discuss pattern statistics here in my group. We discuss the MPS software settings to do the market research and some other stuff. Now let's continue. So what we have, Euro-Yen. Next pair is Euro-Yen 30-minute. Now I'm talking too much and I do little analysis, so let me do it a bit faster. So here's the trade I posted yesterday, and I took it here and it went to the upside and hit my stop loss based on 30-minute, but then it reversed. Well, I just say it was bad luck. It continued in my direction, but it first hit the stop loss. Control F5, switch the profiles, switch profiles. Next, Euro USD. Next pair. Here it is, a potential pattern that is setting up at 113.21.3. If it goes to this level, then we will have that pattern. Okay, next, nothing. Pound Aussie, a potential pattern. Pretty many trades today. We have what? We have Friday, last day of this week. So 2 weeks passed in trading alerts. 2 weeks passed in February. Oh, Pound Canadian alert. Going next, Pound Yen. Nothing here. It was a winner yesterday, but I don't know if I took this winner. Yes, I took this winner. Pound Yen winner. I remember now. Okay, going next. Pound Dollar. 30-minute. Nothing going next. New Zealand Yen. New Zealand Yen 30-minute. Nothing. New Zealand Dollar. New Zealand Dollar. 2 more pairs left. Okay, here's the pattern we have here. Trading alert. This one, Dollar Canadian, was a win, and here's the new pattern that is setting up like this. Going next, Dollar Canadian 30 minutes, the same pattern that I marked on 1 hour. Dollar Yen nothing, and Dollar Yen nothing as well. So guys, all these algorithms are running default settings from the NPS. The PIPSEDGE algorithm is running its own settings for the pair. Every pair has its own settings. So I will show you the Excel spreadsheet for pips. So you should set this number in settings. So depending on the time frame, if you are running the indicator on 4-hour time frame, you should set these numbers as pipswitch value. If you switch to 1-hour time frame, then you should change the numbers, blue color numbers. Okay, as I promised to you, show you my statistics. Let's go to this statistic. Here it is, a February results. Simply download it from my broker. You see, I'm changing nothing, I'm modifying nothing. So here are my February results. Initial drawdown, then thrust to the upside, then long period of moving sideways, 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 and then thrust to the upside as well. Let me now try to download the statistics from from January 1st for this year. Statistics for this year. Okay, it was downloaded, and look at the numbers I have for this year from the 1st January 2019, trading the inverse methodology. So you see it is running in January, then somewhere here February starts, yes, and we're running in February. Pretty good rising equity curve. So I want you to pay attention to this total amount of money and the amount that was generated. So if you do the calculation, yes, the starting balance 67,743 minus what was generated, so initial was this. So I started from 31k roughly, yes, and I generated 36k already on top of this 31k. So I doubled my account already. I will generate a bit more. I will try to generate a bit more, but if I generate enough, I will simply stop trading till the end of this year and return to trading next year. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Hope you liked this video. If so, give me your thumbs up, share this video on social media. Goodbye.